In this video, I'll show you how to find the sum of terms in an arithmetic progression series. The first question asks, find the sum of 10 terms of an arithmetic progression shown below, 2, 5, 8, and 11. From this series of numbers, we can find out a couple of properties. The first one is the common difference. Notice that there's a common difference between each of these terms of 3. I'm going to call that d. d is equal to 3. I also know the starting value. The starting value is 2, which I'll call a. And from that, I can find out easily what my 10th term will be. In fact, I'll use this formula where I have a subscript n, which will tell me my 10th term, is equal to my a value of 2 plus n, which represents my 10th term. So the nth term, I'll put a 10 into that, minus 1 times d. So my 10th term will actually be 2 plus 9 times 3. That's 27 plus 2 is 29. Now the question is asking for the sum. So they're asking us to add up all of the numbers from 2 all the way to 29 with the difference of 3. Now we have a formula for that, and that formula is right here, where s represents the sum, n represents 10, a represents 2, a subscript n, which we just found, represents 29 divided by 2. Let's go ahead and use that. S subscript n is equal to 10 times 2 plus 29 over 2. Using our calculator, we have 10 times 31 divided by 2 gives us 155. The sum for this arithmetic progression is 155. Let's move on to question 2. In question 2, they're asking us to find the sum of the first 9 terms this time of the arithmetic progression shown below, 5, 10, 15, 20. The difference here is obvious. That's 5. A is also 5. Using the original formula, a of n, and since they want the first 9 terms, you can write down a subscript 9 if you like. First term is 5 plus, they want the first 9 terms, so n will be 9 minus 1 times d, which is 5. Let's find out what the 9th term will be. 8 times 5 plus 5 is 45. Next, I'll use this formula once more. S subscript n, in our case, the n is 9, so you can put the 9 there. 9 times, and I'm reading this formula here, 9 times our initial value of 5 plus 45 divided by 2. We should end up with, using our calculator, 50, I'm adding these two numbers up, times 9 divided by 2. This gives us 225. Therefore, the sum of this arithmetic progression is 225. And there you have it. 2 examples on how to find the sum of terms in an arithmetic progression series.